Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I have come with a short video. So that is, if a person takes birth at midnight 12, so what would be his date of birth? Many people have this confusion that they should take the previous date of birth or the next coming day's date of birth. So today I would like to clear all your doubts through this video. So friends, as you know, I'm a little sister Zaira. But before we start, please like and share to the video and don't forget to subscribe as well. So let's start. As you know, in India, we have the Indian traditional concept that the day starts from sunrise only. It means the day runs from sunrise to the next sunrise. But in numerology, we consider Western numerology. So most of the numerologists take the start of the day from 12 midnight only. It means that if a person is born after 12 at night, it means like 12:15, 1 a.m. or 2 a.m. So it means that he'll take the next following day. But if he's born before 12, like 11:50, 11 or 10, so he'll take the previous running day. Suppose if the person is born on exact 12 midnight, so he'll take the next day, not the previous one. Many times it happens that we are a little confused about the exact time, or maybe the doctor or nurses cannot tell us the exact time. So in this case, we consider if a person is born between 11:30 to 12:30 at night, so we'll find the shades of both the date of births. You can say it's a transition period. You cannot make a fixed or clear line of date. So in this case, your previous day before 12 will be a little dilute, but the next day after 12 will be a little intense, but we'll find both the shades of date of birth. In many cases, we need to find the person's interest, likes and dislikes, nature and attitude, and then only we can make the final decision. So friends, I hope that it is clear to you, and now you'll not get confused about your date of birth, and try to find your nature according to your numbers. So bye bye, meet you in the next video. Bye bye.